Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be fixing this slime. I mean, it may look nice, but it's just not presentable. That's just what I'm going to say. So I'm going to try, and you know what I'm about to say. You know I'm going to try and get, I look horrible today. It's my shirt. So I'm gonna try and get another Fun Spot vlog in, but it depends on what my dad does. He works, stuff like that, and plans. So it just broke on me. So I'm gonna try and get a vlog in, but back to what I was saying. Hey guys, my name is Destiny, and today I'm going to be fixing up this slime because it's not presentable, like I just said. So the name is Blueberry, but I may change the name into something better, because it's just not. Blueberries don't sparkle. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing a remodel on this slime. It's not that good. So let's get on with this video. Bam. Okay, so here we go. The slime is not stretchy. It just breaks. And it doesn't stretch, like I said. I mean, it pokes just a little bit and it pops okay, but the texture is just very weird and it's too small. Like, I don't know why it is, but it's just too small. So I'm going to make it more jiggly because I do want a jiggly slime. I just don't want it to rip as much, so I'm going to add some water, and then I'm going to add like a pinch of lotion because I just feel like it needs some lotion to make it more thick and jiggly at the same time. So let me get the water, because I don't want to make too big of a slime. I just want to add a little bit like that, and I'm just going to mix it with my finger because I don't want to get up and get me a spoon. And so the slime has silver and white, I think it's white, yeah, silver and white glitter, and a little bit of red glitter. I don't know why I added red glitter into it, but I guess I did because I'm a moron when it comes to making slime. Like, I don't know what to add. So, I'm gonna try and not make this video so long. I was just bored and I was thinking today is the day that I have to make my video. So yeah. So I'm just gonna mix this up. And if I need activator, I will add my activator. So it feels really cool. Look at that, it looks cool. Just need this. Alright, here we go. There's the slime right here. So now I'm just gonna let it, I need to like sit for a few days. Oh, well, no it doesn't. When the slime changes, it will have to. It'll have to. See, it has to come together. But to make it clear again, it needs to sit for another day or two, or maybe 2 days. Sorry about that. Grandma's next to the chair getting the phone. Okay. Here we go. Now I'm going to add a dash of my Berry Element lotion. Just a tiny bit. It's not even coming. Didn't go in. There you go. So wipe this off. And I'm just going to stir it, and then I'm going to go get my activator because it's sticky. And that's what you get out of making a jiggly slime. It becomes sticky. Bless you. I'm going to get my activator now. Okay. Now I'm going to wait a few days for this to clear back up and the consistency to change. Because it's weird now. It's more rubbery, but it is okay. So I am going to let this sit for about a few days. I don't know how many days. I'll just check. But yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video I could do for you guys. And I'll see you guys later.